Hi, my name is Harry Lightfoot from Berthon International, and today we are on board this 2007 Island Packet 440. Hi and welcome to a very cold Chichester Marina, and today we are looking around Jessica May, this 2007 Island Packet 440. She is your classic blue water sailing yacht. Overall, Jessica May is in fantastic condition. She has had one owner since new and been lovingly cared for, with many updates over the years, and this is evident as we go throughout the yacht. She has good access on either side. As you step up and looking further forward, she's got really handy handrails running all the way along. She has your classic rig. She makes it very easy to sail single-handed. In-mast main that runs back into the cockpit. You've got your main sheet track with just in forward of the spray hood. This means there's no track in the cockpit. Making way further forward again, your classic Island Packet setup. You've got your 130% Genoa. Right on the bow there's also a cruising chute, can be fitted. You've got your twin electric windlass and a nice size cockpit locker. And just in front of the Genoa, you have your self-tacking jib boom. This setup, again, really for easy sailing. When you're doing the trade winds or downwind, that boom really comes into its own. Luckily with these Island Packets, there is no teak, so it's very easy to manage. Right on the centre, they're nice beamy boats, so you've got really good access walking along. So you've got your life raft right in the centre. Everything with these boats have been very cleverly thought out, especially on the deck, making it very, very safe. Getting into the cockpit, she has a ribeye aluminium rib with 6 horsepower outboard and your full cover, as well as on this arch you've got 2 solar panels and a wind generator. That setup with the dinghy makes really good access when launching. She has a new 2019 Raymarine plotter. You've got your auto helm and bow thruster. Winches, both electric for your primary. You've got your wind depth, speed instruments on the companionway hatch. Looking back, there's another electric winch on the port side. Nice handy cockpit table and drink holder as well. Either side you have 2 very deep cockpit lockers and 2 smaller lockers on either side for your ropes to get them out of the way. As we just make our way down the companionway steps to the interior. Down below on Jessica May you can really tell her overall condition. It's really looking kind of as new throughout. As you make your way into the saloon, lots of nice natural light. You have those hatches, getting nice air. Coming round, you got your main sofa, full-size chart table, again with a 2019 Raymarine hybrid touch plotter. This also mirrors the one up in the cockpit, as well as access to VHF and all your electrical panel. Making our way back into the aft galley. This has really good access up to the cockpit while at sea. And clever storage throughout. You've got your 3-burner gas cooker, microwave, hot and cold pressured water on the twin sink. These island packets have a very clever system. So you have dual fridge or freezer. You can run either one or both at the same time, therefore saving power. Nice and deep as well, so you can get a lot of food in there. And of course, more importantly, drink. As you make our way further forward again, you can see the table is currently folded. This is a very clever design, gets it out of the way while you're at sea or not in use. But when down, this can either be converted into a pilot berth, and then the eaves will flip over so you can have access on both sides. Clever storage in front. As you can imagine, there's plenty of storage under all the cushions and behind. Making your way into the aft cabin, which has a nice double berth making under the cockpit. There's also a big storage hatch just forward, and it goes right back into the aft, and a clever hanging mount, all ventilated. To go into the day head, this also acts as an ensuite for the aft cabin. You have a really nice size walk-in shower and your head and sink. The headroom is fantastic throughout. Again, access to your day head, so while at sea, you come straight down the companionway hatch, or if you have your wet oilies. And making your way forward, you have your master cabin, so semi-island bed, access on both sides, LED lighting throughout. Again, clever storage, hanging lockers. You can tell from the video, again, the excellent condition, all the joinery, head lining is still in, and it's testament to the overall condition and how the owner has looked after her. Making your way forward, you've got this really nice master ensuite. Again, big walk-in shower, good ventilation. Coming back into the saloon, you can again appreciate the width and beam, the amount of space on offer. Final look at that saloon. Nice sunny day, so you can really see the amount of natural light the boat gets. Back out into the cockpit. Jessica MEI really is a fantastic island packet 440 that's in an excellent condition and ready to set sail today.